Okay, this is another probability question, and this problem is asked by Google. A coin was flipped 17 times, and 560 times it showed up heads. Do you think the coin is biased, or why not? Okay, now first thing that we noticed is that it flipped 17 times, right? So since it's 1,000 sample size is large enough, we can apply Self-Self-Limit theorem, right? Still. And now assume that probability of heads is P and probability of tail is Q. So probability of heads is P and probability tail comes up as a Q, right? So we note that P plus Q is equal to 1. We want to know, right? Want to know if P is equal to 1 over 2 or not. Now assume that we are assuming each trial are independent of each other, okay? And if P is equal to 1 over 2, if P is equal to 1 over 2, then we should expect to see 500 heads, right? Because expected number of heads is n times P, in this case, 1 times 1 over 2, which is 500. The same way for the variance of H is n times P 1 minus P, right? Now, if P was 1 over 2, then this is going to be 1/7 times 1 over 2 times 1 over 2, which is 250. Now, then the standard deviation would be what? Sigma would be 250 squared, which is 15.8, right? Approximately. Okay. Now we remember 65, 95, 99 rule, right? Like this, right? 1 sigma, 2 sigma, and the 3 sigma rule. Okay, like this. So now let's calculate the z-score, right? If we calculate this score, what's going to happen here? Because we know what's under normal assumptions, we can see that z 560 minus 500 divided by 15.8, right? Approximately. So that is approximately equal to 3.78 something, or 79. Okay, so this is even higher than 3 sigma rule, because assuming the mean is 0, this is going to be 3. So this is telling us the data lies so remember, right, 3 sigma rule, that almost 99% of the data lies within the 3 standard deviation of the mean of the 500. But we see that in this case, z-score is z-score even is bigger than 3 strictly. That's telling us z lies outside 99%. Okay, in other words, if coin was fair, then the probability of seeing 560 heads is less than 0.01. So this is telling us it's the coin is probably biased. All right, that's it.